let's look at the technical part of this. First of all, the issue with GPT generated images was that we have to again and again render them. I mean generate them, because I think what uh, OpenAI does is it deletes the images from their database or wherever they are storing. So that's why we cannot refetch them after some set time. So what I'm doing is saving all these images on Cloudinary. What Cloudinary gives me is, where the fuck is it? Okay. So what Cloudinary does is it gives me some free tier, and that's what I'm using. See, I'm saving all those images. Once I get the images, I generate once I get the image, I generate a secure URL which it's stored into my MongoDB. And how it's done is we save this as per user, whatever user created. If let's say this is the user, so we are creating an array of images. Let's say image 1, or let's say image 2, or let's say image 3. So all these images are being stored. Now not just images are being stored, but also each image's prompt is being stored so that we can look it up. I wanted to use that for the version control, but I did not have the time for that. Okay, great. Before this happens, what happens is I get a image URL that I upload to Cloudinary. This is I think the general workflow of how it is happening. An image is generated with the prompt, so I store the prompt first. This image's prompt that was given, we store it in the DB, and then this complete schema happens. I'll show you the schema now. So this is the schema. We are uploading the prompt, we are uploading the image. I wanted to add these likes and dislikes, but I could not, so that we could rate it. The backend and a little UI must have used in that, but I did not have the time. By default, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's look at the user schema now. We are checking the total images generated, the average rating and everything. So I wanted to use this for rating again, did not have the time. We are assigning roles, so we have used role based access, as I showed in the earlier video how it works. Okay, so this is what happens. This is the general idea. And again, the search and everything is just string manipulation on the prompt string. That's why it looks so fast. Okay, great, thanks.